What I love about the manufacturing is that you provide something for somebody. And you may not think about it, but we always talk about it here at our company that this is stuff that is being sold to your family. So when you think about what you're doing for the company, you really take pride in knowing that everything is being done right from start to finish.
When I think of Cheslie, I think of a highly motivated individual, one that always wants to contribute to the success of our company, and always has come to my office and said, you know, I don't think I have enough responsibility. I want more. I want to learn more. I want to do more.
I'm a person that loves to be busy. I love to be learning more. And I think especially in manufacturing, because there's so many unknowns, especially I didn't start on the floor, and I'm always learning something new.
It's great to know that she gets recognized for her work, her ability to grow like she has, and the leadership skills that she's developed over the last 7 years. It's just phenomenal to see her grow so fast.
My biggest advice to people would be that you need to fight for what you want. You need to speak up, and you need to always stay motivated. Don't ever get to a point where you just feel comfortable in what you're doing. Always seek out other opportunities and make sure that you make sure that they're known.